Hey ladies and germs. Another beautiful day. I got another toy. Got up on OfferUp and looked up bimini. So, because I live in Houston, it's a major metropolis. There's so many people. There's a lot of competition for anything you want. If something pops up, yesterday I saw a longboard sell within 2 minutes. 2 minutes. But I got this bimini for $40 outside of town. And it's too wide. So, I'm going to go ahead and shorten it. Already taken the liberty, cutting all the rivets out. I'm going to go ahead and shorten it using this. Oh, it fits. So I am going to use it. Just got to figure out how much shorter I want it. I'm not a man for measuring tapes, but 8 3/4 looks good enough to me. Let's try that. If you ever used one of these before, you do a couple turns, tighten it a little bit, go again. This guarantees a straight cut, especially one-handed. Oh, I felt it just get loose. The first one is to make the cut. The second one is to move the metal to the sides. The third one would only be for further moving stuff to the sides. It's getting soft. Okay. It's getting soft. Just doing this till I can feel the tension back on the wheel. Don't want to dent, press, decompress, or warp the wheel. You need it to stay straight. A lot of people don't know this, but don't shove on a drill. Let the drill bit do its job. Got an automotive professor once get like 25 drills and then all had them sharpened from the same bit and then made a race to see who could do it first. Of course I won because I already learned that lesson, but we're gonna do the other 3 and see if we can shorten her up. Joke's on me. After punching through the rivets, there's more. My lovely assistant helped me move it. Gotta pop these guys off now. Using a cutoff wheel. Been making custom cars for a very long time, so I'm pretty proficient with this. And it's aluminum, so you can't get crazy. You gotta be soft. That's why I'm gonna put it down and do this job. Pop the rivets all the way out. I use the Torx.